So first and foremost, go online, search Discord Web Developer App, press the first link, scroll down a bit, you'll find a few options, press app and create one. Set whatever name you want, you can customize it your own, profile picture, banner, whatever. So once you're done customizing, just go to the OAuth 2 tab, type in your redirect URL to be discord.com app, and then select the scopes of bot and applications command. After that, select the redirect URL and then select the few permissions to allow the bot to function, read messages, and send messages. And at the end, remember to use guild install instead of user install, and you'll have your generated URL. Now once you have that generated URL, it's time for the next step. Now you can use an existing server or you can create a new one, just call whatever you want, and then now go to your settings, go to advanced and tick developer mode. After that, you're going to come out, right click on a channel, and then you should see channel ID, and copy that and paste it wherever you want so that you won't forget it. And now once you have your server, click on your generated URL on a browser. You're going to come up and then there's going to be a UI. Select your server that you want to implement it on, and then it should be done. You should see a pop-up message on the Discord chat on that channel. It's now the last step before we get onto the coding. So right now, go back to the Discord web developer website, then click the tab bot. Right. After you click the tab bot, you're going to see something like a token. And if it's your first time clicking it, you're going to see reset token. Just press that, and then it might ask you for your password. Just enter it in and then just copy your distinct bot code. So now it's time for the fun part. It's time to code. Now you can use any platform of your choice, but I would recommend Google Colab because it's the easiest. So after that, you're gonna just pip install Discord. After you run that code, make a new code block and import these things: Discord, commands from discord.ext, import yfinance as yf, import nest async. This line of from Google Colab import user data is for me because I'm not going to show you my Discord key and channel ID. So now this line bot equals commands bot, command prefix. This means that when we type a exclamation mark, it's going to look at what we typed, and intents equals Discord intents means that the bot's going to look at all the messages. And at bot.event is when something happens. Async def on ready is just when it is online, when it is ready, right? It's just going to print that, oh, I'm online. And so channel equals bot.get channel, that is a function. And if channel, which is if channel is true, if there is a channel, we're just going to send bot is now online. The awaits is just one of the syntax. And else, you just print could not find channel when the channel is invalid. Now we're almost done. We're just going to the main part now. It's at bot.command. So basically when we command it, it's going to do something. Async def price. CTX is the context and the ticker will be a string format. Then try is when it doesn't, when it fails, it's going to give an accept, but it's going to do it. And start equals live.ticker. You should know that. So start becomes a series of closes, highs, lows, whatever. And price equals to stock.info. Info gives us more unique kind of columns, and one of them includes the current price. So we're just going to get that, put it into a price variable, and await ctx.send. So we're just going to send that ticker upper in case, they was dumb and they put AAPL in lowercase, and just put the price in F string, accept, and then wait, invalid stock symbol if it's wrong. And then the nest async is just kind of a, let's say, a duct tape, because Google Colab sometimes bugs out. You don't know what's going to happen. And finally, it's like the house key, bot.run, the probably most necessary line here. You're just going to put in your Discord token. So based on the types, for the bot.run, your Discord token should be in a parentheses, right? You're going to use a text parentheses. And for the channel ID on top, if you're not using Google Secrets. You just gotta put it as a sort of integer. You're not gonna put any parentheses around it. Now finally, for the fruits of our labor, just run and see what happens. If you're wrong, maybe you got syntax wrong. If you're wrong, then check the code that I wrote and see if yours has any errors, or maybe you typed something wrong. And if it runs, then you should see discord.client login in the static token or something. And then after that, you're going to get a alert or a message in your Discord channel, and it's going to be like, oh, I'm running now. Just type in ! price, a valid ticker like AAPL or NVIDIA or PayPal, something like that, and then it should get you the current price. So this is just a very basic bot, but we're going to learn how to make even more complicated ones as we go.